Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are having a look at Astrophytum Multicostatum, which is a complicated way of saying more than 5 ribs. So Multicostatum is characterized by having more than the standard number of ribs of Myriostigma, which is 5. So this particular one that I've got has 7 ribs. Very, very beautiful plant. Year-round interest. Now I'm more of a fan of Astrophytum's form than their flowers. So this one is actually in double bloom at the moment, and it's absolutely incredible. Like, it's a very, very nice flower, or flowers, and they're very large. This one here, the camera seems to be picking it up as more of an apricot color, but it's actually more of a yellow, and there's some pink highlight tips sort of around this area here. So still very, very nice, and these flowers are incredibly large. I don't remember this guy having such large flowers last season, but still very, very nice, and there's more flowers on the way. Unfortunately I won't be able to pollinate these 2 flowers because I don't have anything else that's actually in bloom at the moment. This guy started a bit early. Anywho, in terms of the difficulty level, Astrophytum as a whole are a little on the trickier side, and so I wouldn't necessarily recommend them for people just starting out. They do have a very high tendency of rotting, so overwatering is probably the easiest way to kill them, and depending on the level of flocking, which is the white portions on there, will dictate basically the level of sun or light that they will handle comfortably. This guy here is quite heavy, so he'll handle the sun, but in saying that, he does have a few areas where he's probably been a little bit too bright. So on the scale, I'm going to put them around an 8 or a 9, just because they do need a little bit of specialist care. Now the mix, this guy's in a 90-10 mix, so 90% gravel and 10% organic matter. Now I actually purchased this guy maybe a year ago now, so I don't know what mix he's in. I've basically left him there because he's been quite happy, and the size pot, there's realistically no need to repot him for quite some time, and it's a break from my norm because usually as soon as I get a plant I repot it, and I might do that next season, but for now he's quite happy. So again, it's Astrophytum Multicostatum. A bit of a mouthful, but an incredibly beautiful plant, and you can get any number of ribs, anywhere from 6 to 9. I think it just keeps going. I don't know the actual highest number recorded, but my guy here is a 7, so still pretty nice looking. Anyways everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!